Has your PC suddenly crashed with a scary blue screen? Don't panic. Blue screen errors, also called stop codes or BSODs, happen when Windows shuts down to protect your system from serious issues. These errors can be caused by faulty hardware, outdated drivers, or software conflicts. First, try basic fixes. Remove any newly installed hardware, boot into safe mode, and check Device Manager for warning icons. Update or disable problematic drivers. Ensure your hard drive has at least 10 to 15% free space, and install the latest Windows updates. If the problem persists, dig deeper. Check Event Viewer for related errors, run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, or analyze memory dumps for advanced troubleshooting. Still stuck? Try restoring Windows using a system restore point. Blue screens are frustrating, but with these steps you can diagnose and fix them. For more details, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.